The best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you learn. The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Look for 3 things in a person: intelligence, energy, and integrity. If they don't have the last one, don't even bother with the first 2. The rich invest in time. The poor invest in money. There are 3 kinds of people. 1. Innovators. 2. Imitators. 3. Idiots. If you cannot control your emotions, you cannot control your money. The value of a business is the cash it is going to produce in the future. The most important investment you can make is in yourself. Nobody can tax it or take it away from you. Money is not everything. Make sure you earn a lot before speaking such nonsense. The key to success is emotional stability. Don't risk what is important to you to get what is not important to you. We continue to make more money when snoring than when active. Never depend on a single source of income. I always knew I was going to be rich. I don't think I ever doubted it for a minute. I made my first investment at age 11. I was wasting my life up until then. It is more important to say no to an opportunity than to say yes. If book knowledge made great investors, then the librarians would all be rich. It's not that I want money. It's the fun of making money and watching it grow. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Focus on your customers and lead your people as though their lives depend on your success. Always invest for the long term. It's easier to create money than to spend it. You don't have to be a genius to invest well.